Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. We'll do 5 minutes of typing exercise, and I decided that the first time in the morning every day I will do a spring tutorial. So let's start it. Let's get started. Typing.io, my weapon of choice. Okay, and start the time. Haha. Haha. That's cool. HRL? What is that? Okay, I don't feel too well about this. There will be lots of mistake, I think. It's my first in the day, so hey, 7%. Yep. Main thing is to just stick with it like a glue. I'm out of the time. All right, so we will close this. Maybe. Okay, here we go. And I want to open the project, and that was, I forgot which it is. So that's idea project, study, spring, yeah. Accessing data rest, I think it is. Okay. Here we go. That's not it. It doesn't do anything. Okay, that's cool. Doesn't matter. Open recent. It's not even in a recent. That's weird. That's weird. Open. Okay, it still doesn't work. I'll start the right timer. Okay, maybe I need to kill IntelliJ then. And restart it, I guess. And run it again, maybe? It doesn't do anything. Alright. So I'll try to run just IntelliJ by itself. Then I will troubleshoot it. Hopefully that will be just, you know, it will be okay. That's the application section. Okay, so I can do something with it, maybe. 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 Da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, da, da. Yeah, da, da, da. Yeah, da, da, da. Okay, so do we have it? Yep, and it is starting. Start. Quick start. No. Create repository. Test the application. Okay. Now that application is running. Okay, now it's not. um, I can do this, I guess, and maybe I want to look into, where is it? Maven. Lifecycle. Plugins. Compile, test, install, deploy. Hey, there is a play button. Run Maven build. Okay. Or I can go to the, I don't need the tests. I can go to application and run it from here, right? It's doing something. Oh, that was quick. Oh, that's nice. Like it. What is this? Oh, it's like showing another button, which didn't fit in here. Well, it is running. I like how it's colorful now. Well, maybe it is not. It's still like started thing. So I can go to the localhost, I guess. Now that the application is running, you can test it. You can use any REST client you wish. Use the Nix curl. Modify this bad request. Ah. People. Okay, it does something. Do I have a curler? Is the question. And I have it. Cool. So I can do this. Nice. So we've got that. This is the thing we have received. So it's doing something, I'm not sure what, but it is something. The preceding example provides the first glimpse of what this server has to offer. There is a people link located at localhost/people. And its profile. I have a profile. Profile is missing here. It has some options such as page, size, and sort. Oh, okay. Spring Data REST uses HAL format for JSON output. HAL format. Okay. Interesting. Links. Self. Ref example source. Okay, I will not bother with that. The following example shows how to see the people records. None at present. So curl and I do the people instead of the local host. So we can do that. Slash people. And we'll get something else. That is here. And get people and search. People has a page size sort. It's the same thing. Mm-hmm. There are currently no elements and hence no pages. Time to create a new person. The following listings how to do so. Okay, so this is Carl IJ, so we are sending it to somewhere to localhost, and it's first name Frodo, last name Baggins. Okay, I do copy, I do pasty. Could not what? It does not like it. But I did the right thing. Copy. Pasty. Could not resolve host Frodo. Then it would be could not. Yeah, we'll get the same thing, right? Unexpected character. I did not like it. What if I have a look at here? Still the same. And what if I remove those then? Hmm. Okay, I don't know how that should supposed to work. I ensures that you can see the response message, including the headers, age. So it's the content type, so the application knows the payload contains a JSON. Hmm. The is the data being sent. If you are on Windows, the command above will work on VSL. If you can't install USL, you might need to replace a single quotes with double. Okay, what is the VSL? Windows subsystem for Linux. Uh-huh. Tools, Vim, Emacs, Tmux. Hey, Emacs, UI. Okay, so they are saying that I need to escape them. That will be the fastest thing, I think. So that, 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 and I erased the single quotes, so I will put them back. Oh no, I need to use the double quotes, right? They don't use single quotes. Here, go! Okay, so this looks cool. And if I have a look at it, there is like total elements 1, total 1. I thought I inserted 2. Hmm. Oh yeah, it's 1. It's just first name, last name. Okay. So cool. We did something. There are currently no elements, so we did edit. Notice how the response to the post operation includes a location header. Okay. Where is it? Here. Location. That guy, if I click it, I get the Frodo. Okay, cool. This contains the URI of the newly created resource. Spring Data REST also has two methods: repository REST configuration, set return body on create, and set return body on update, that you can use to configure the framework to immediately return the representation of the resource just created. Repository REST configuration set return body for output and post is a shortcut method to enable representation responses for create and update operations. Okay, so on create, on update, set return body, and here set return body for put and post. That is for everything. You can query. You can query for all people, as the following example shows. Yeah. So let's do that. Oh, I did that. That was the first thing I was doing. Curl localhost people, and we are getting first is the people, that is array, and then some methods here, I guess. Interesting. The people contains a list that includes Frodo. Yep. Notice how this includes a self-link. Yeah, I notice. What is that? Spring Data REST also use the Evo infactor to pluralize the name of entity of groupings. What? English pluralization argument. English for all words will be words. Okay, cool. And looks like there is a package and thing for everything. Nice. This might appear to be purely web-based, however, behind the scenes there is an H2 relational database. In production, you would probably use a real one, such as PostgreSQL. In this guy, there is only one domain object with a more complex system, where domain objects are related to each other. Spring Data REST renders additional links to help navigate to connected words. You can find all the custom queries as shown in the following example. What? Well, if I post it, how do I find my last name? Okay. So if I put it in here, I just search, it says find my last name. And I'm guessing if I go to my uh, uh, to my you know repository, yeah, it says find by last name in here. That is what I've got here. I can find it by last name. That's what it says. It's links. And I said people search. So in search I can put this guy. And self is what I ask for. hmm You can see the URL for the query, including the HTTP query parameter, name, including the HTTP query parameter name. Okay. Note that this matches the param name. Add param name. Well, so you'll try it. Add param name x66. Save it, and I probably need to start it. Yeah, it will. So how do I do it? Control F2, right? But I have to be here. Stop everything. Then I go here again and run it. Go. Is it running yet? Oh, I will go here. And if I do this, yeah, it's changed to name x66. And if I do this guy, nothing, haha, because the Bilbo have been not inserted yet. So if I do just people, yeah, people is empty array, so we will insert Bilbo begins. Which one is it? No, the one with escaped. Yep, this guy. So we have that, and now if I have a look in it, there's Frodo. Okay. You can see the URL name query, including, yep, the following example shows how to use find line query. Okay, so you do curl, last name begins. I could put this in the web as well, right? So if I do just this, copy, I'll get the same thing. Okay. Because you defined it to return list person in the code, it returns all of the results. If you had defined it only to person, it picks one of the person objects to return, since
Yeah, but I'm asking for name and I changed it to name x66, so it will not work right now. Stop. And we'll go to the repository. You go back, sir. Okay, and then I will start it again, which was this guy. Go, 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 Power Rangers. Okay. And now we can do the magic again. So first I will insert that guy, cool. Then I want to have a look at it like so. And then I want to ask for plugins only. I don't know where it is. So I will copy it. It is, where is it? Here, copy, paste. Oh, well, yeah. Because I did it here. I did it here. Carl. Carl, paste, go. Okay, I got it. And this is the array they talked about. I know I'm over the time limit. Alright. Alright, so what I did, I just run the application, then we tried to get it. We learned that uh, this is the, no, here, this is the name of the parameter which will be used. Um, the people are the array, also here. The pet is people, so that would be this, I guess. I think. Okay, now I want to try it. Okay, so this will be people 1, and this will be people 2. And I'll kill the application. Control F2. And I will run it again with accessing the blah blah blah. Oh, I noticed just now that I don't have my beautiful background. Well, anyways, I will go here and I will do I want just the local host. Well, I can do it like so. Okay, here's are the methods. People 2, okay. It says people 2, that is the pad. Okay. So if I do now I have to do people 2, I guess. Yeah, that will get me that. So this is the pad. Okay, the pad is the URL pad. And there could be, oh yeah, people 1 is the resource rel, collection resource rel. That would be the link, I guess. And yeah, so I just tested it. Yay. Okay, you go back and we'll stop the application. And where we are? We are here. And there's a summary. Okay. You can also delete records. Sure. So you can curl delete people and then it will be not there. A convenient aspect of this hypermedia driven interface is that you can discover all the RESTful endpoints by using curl or whatever REST client you like. You need not exchange a formal contract or write document with your customer's summary. Congratulations, you have developed the application with a hypermedia-based RESTful frontend and JPA-based backend. Yeah, but I don't feel much wiser. Okay, so I'll close this and we'll change the MD file. Not what you're doing. Control E, and that is progress and log. Here I will say. Here I will say. See also summary. Uh, okay. Commit. I was just running the application today. Okay. Tutorial complete. Commit. And we are way over the time, so that means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.